Welcome to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest at the theme parks, special events, experiences, and even some sports. Deep in the heart of Texas, a storm awakens. Welcome to Tormenta, Rampaging Run, the tallest, fastest, longest, and first ever Giga dive coaster in the world. Born from thunder, inspired by the running of the bulls, Tormenta is no ordinary beast. Strap in. Hold tight. The gates are opening, and when they do, you run. Climb to 309 feet into the eye of the storm. Then the plunge, a beyond vertical drop, the steepest in the world. Charge through a 179-foot vertical loop, flip into a 218-foot Immelmann, twist and dive across more than 4,000 feet of track. At 87 miles per hour, you don't just ride the storm, you become the storm. You survive the rampage, but Tormenta never rests. Tormenta, Rampaging Run, only at Six Flags over Texas. Are you ready to take history by the horns? Thank you for joining us today on this exciting, world-breaking reveal. And please, make sure to like and subscribe as we continue to bring to you the latest and greatest at the theme parks, special events, experiences, and even some sports.